Let's start with what makes this RV a true monster. Under the hood is a 4.5-liter twin-turbo diesel V8, producing 450 to 500 horsepower and nearly 1,000 Newton-meters of torque. And here's the insane part. It comes with full-time 6x6 all-wheel drive. That means every wheel gets power, giving you unstoppable performance on mountains, deserts, mud, snow. No matter where you take it, the Hikecruze says only one thing: bring it on. Cut to engine shots plus hill climbing footage. Toyota engineered this RV like a military-grade machine. You get locking front, center, and rear differentials, 400mm ground clearance, high articulation suspension, and a 900mm water wading depth. This is the kind of motorhome that goes places normal RVs can't even dream of. Rocky trails, rivers, sand dunes. The 6x6 conquers everything. Cut to desert, mud, and rocky terrain shots. From the outside it's a beast, but inside, it's a 5-star luxury suite. Step into the living lounge and you're greeted with premium leather seating, an electric sofa bed, a 55-inch smart TV, a high-end sound system, and massive panoramic windows. The kitchen is fully equipped with induction stove, convection microwave, full-size refrigerator, deep stainless steel sink, large storage cabinets. The bedroom features a queen-size luxury mattress, overhead storage, dual wardrobes, USB and 220V outlets, designed like a modern mini apartment. And yes, even the bathroom is premium. A separate shower cabin, ceramic toilet, hot water system, and a backlit vanity mirror. Cut to smooth interior cinematic shots. Technology is another major highlight. The Hikecruze comes with 360-degree camera system, radar cruise control, off-road terrain assist, full smart RV control touchscreen, 600Ah lithium battery system, 3000W inverter, 1200W solar roof, satellite internet compatibility. It's designed to operate completely off-grid for days. Cut to tech screens, solar panels, and interior lighting. You get huge storage compartments and oversized tanks, including 220L fresh water, 140L gray water, 90L black water, 250L diesel tank, dual spare tires, perfect for long expeditions and remote exploration. The estimated price for the 2026 Toyota Hikecruze 6x6 starts at $380,000 and can go up to $450,000. A fully loaded model could reach $500,000. Heavy checkmark pros. Extreme 6x6 capability. Full luxury interior. Toyota reliability. Massive solar plus battery setup. Built for global expeditions. Cons. Very high price. High fuel consumption. Large size. Hard to park in cities. So, is the 2026 Toyota Hikecruze 6x6 worth it? Want an RV that dominates highways and deserts? If you want luxury with zero compromises, and if you want the ultimate off-road adventure machine, then this isn't just an RV, it's the king of the road, the ultimate off-road luxury RV beast. If you enjoyed the tour, hit like, and tell us in the comments, where would you take this monster RV first?